So welcome students. So in this question, it's given that L, M and N are the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP. If that is so, what is the value of this determinant? So log L, log M and log M. So to convert log L, log M into log N in terms of P, Q, R. So let us say that for this GP, let the first term be equal to capital A and the common ratio be equal to capital R. So I have taken capital letters because small r is already used. So let A be the first term of the GP and capital R be the common ratio of the GP. So can L be written as the pth term is A R power P minus 1 and M is equal to A R power Q minus 1 and N is equal to A R power R minus 1. So this is a formula for nth term of a GP. So we know that the nth term of a GP is A into R power N minus 1. First term into common ratio power N minus 1. So L is equal to the pth term, so A into R power P minus 1. So this implies what is log L? Log L is equal to log of A R power P minus 1. That is equal to, I am using the formula log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log of R power P minus 1. So this R power P minus 1, the power will come out as a multiple from log. That is equal to log of A plus P minus 1 times log of R. So similarly, if I do the same simplifications for M, log M will be equal to log A plus Q minus 1 times log R. And if you do the same thing with respect to N, so you get log N is equal to log A plus R minus 1 times log of R. So you have log L, log M and log N. Now if you use this in this determinant, so this determinant will become log determinant of log L is log A plus P minus 1 times log R, log A plus Q minus 1 times log R, log A plus R minus 1 times log R. And you have PQR 1, 1, 1. So now what we'll do is, let us multiply the third column with log A and subtract it from column 1. So C1 becomes C1 minus log A times C3. So if I multiply the column 3 with log A, this becomes log A, log A, log A. And if I subtract log A from this, so you get the determinant of P minus 1 times log R, Q minus 1 times log R, R minus 1 times log R, PQR 1, 1, 1. This determinant is same as this determinant. Now in this, log R is a common term, so you can take log R outside, log R outside. So this implies that is equal to log R times P minus 1, Q minus 1, R minus 1, P1, QR 1, 1. Now what we can do is, we can do C1 becomes C1 plus C3 now. So I will add C1 and C3. So if I add 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 will get cancelled out. So this becomes log R times PQR 1, 1, 1. The two columns have become same, hence the determinant is equal to 0. So answer for this question is 0. Thank you.